Hey everyone, welcome to my presentation of the periodic trends of the periodic table of elements. Today I will be discussing the periodic trend of atomic radius and also a little bit about electronegativity because they kind of go hand in hand with each other. I only had so much clay to use, so I was not able to do the periodic table as a whole, but this is what I could cover. So the atomic radius is considered to be the distance between the nucleus of an atom and its outermost valence electron. According to Lumen learning, you can also distinguish this by bonds, and that would be the bond between two atoms and the distance between the nuclei, or half the distance between the nuclei of two different atoms. So as we can see, the trend here with the periodic table of elements is that as we move down the periodic table, the atoms' radii get bigger, and as we move left, they get bigger. As we move right, the radius gets smaller, and as we move up, the radius gets smaller. And what happens here is as we move down, there are more electron shells, and as the core electrons towards the center of the proton shield the outer valence electrons, the outer valence electron shell can then move farther away from the core, thus making a bigger atomic radius. In reverse, we have electronegativity. Electronegativity is the pull of one atom that it has on another. And this would be the exact opposite of this table, with fluorine having the largest electronegativity and francium having the least. And this is because with a smaller atomic radius, the protons, the positively charged protons of one atom, can have more of a pull on the negatively charged electrons of another atom, thus having more of a pull and a higher electronegativity. So again, atomic radius is larger as we move left and down, and smaller as we go over and right. Electronegativity would be the opposite, with fluorine having the highest electric negativity and francium having the lowest electronegativity.